Hey folks, what a view behind me. I'm at Black Bull Markets headquarters here in Auckland, New Zealand. Speaking of views, you can get TradingView paid plans for free at Black Bull Markets, saving you up to $600 a year. Get either the Essential Plus or Premium plans absolutely free. All you need to do is trade from one lot a month at Black Bull Markets. And you can also get a 100% deposit bonus for your first deposit up to $1,000. All you need to do is click the Trading Nut link in the description below. Our sponsor Blue Guardian's the only prop firm that gives their traders a tool to protect them from hitting their max daily loss and over trading. It's super simple to use. Just set the Guardian Protector each day from your dashboard. Did you also know that they've just released an unlimited time evaluation with a 0 trading days requirement, giving you plenty of time to hit their low 8 and 4% targets, making it super fast to get funded. Plus, it's cheaper than the 40-day time limit evaluation. Check out the link and coupon in the description to get 10% off your next Blue Guardian evaluation.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good day, depending on what time zone you're in. Hope everyone is well. Hope everybody's rested. It's a Friday, last trading day of the week. Nothing significantly impactful in terms of news is expected to come out today. In fact, let's take a look at the calendar. So it's been a jam-packed week. Been a very jam-packed week. Earlier today, we had the pound news retail sales that came out. And we have the Euro Summit for the duration of today. And then later on today, we have, in about 5 hours from now, we're going to have Powell speaking. Other than that, it looks to be a pretty chilled day. Looks like it's going to be a pretty chilled day. Could be wrong. Could be entirely wrong. But hey, as usual, let's start with the dollar index. Very beautiful price action here. Rejection, came back down, found support, and now it is marching up. You guys can see that. In terms of a target, conservatively, I would say, where is this thing? Wait, you guys can see, perfect. So in terms of a conservative target, I would estimate that we are going to reach about here, 104.85 to test this over here, right? Which would also be, there you go. Yeah, so to test this, which should be roughly the halfway point of this. Just remove that. Cool. Now we've established that the dollar index is going up. Gold should be coming down. There you go. Broke out of the wedge, made a high, and now it seems to be coming back down. Nearest resistance level, nearest support level would be this trend line again. All right, so you could draw a line around here. Let me see. There. You asked me in the near term where gold is going, it's going to that blue box right there. At which point it could rebound and continue going up, or it could just break right through it. But for now, from where we are right now, I believe we're going down here. Pound CAD falling very nicely. USD CAD rallying because of the strength on the dollar. USD CAD has been consolidating, if we're being honest, since, so there's pretty much a box here, right? Let me just delete this, delete that, and we've got a box somewhere here. There you go. We've got a box, and we're nearing the top of this box. So we could come back down. However, because of the strength of the dollar right now, I think this is what's going to happen. Copy, paste that up like that. Delete that. This is what I believe is going to happen. I've got a pending order in there as well, so cool. I believe that USD CAD is going to break through this level, break through that, and then reach this. Wait, actually, what is that? That's how I feel about USD CAD. AUD franc. We've kind of achieved the target that we wanted to achieve on this. Here's the line that I drew. I was basically aiming for this. Boom, boom, up. Cool. Now, what happens next? I don't see anything. Let me see. Low, boom, 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 boom. Breakout, test of the high. Created a new high. Wait. Sell. Huge sell. With target 1 being here, 0.5759 or 5760, and then target 2 being at the lows here. The reason I say that is because of the rejection here and this bearish close of this candle, if it does close bearish. That to me is, yeah, that's what I think. From here, we have target 1 here. From there, we have target 2 at the lows. It's AUD franc. Euro AUD. I've been trying to get long on this, aiming for this. In fact, if I'm really being honest, it'll probably go even higher to maybe around here. But yeah, I'm still bullish on this. We broke through the trend line and we haven't really moved up since. We haven't really made any considerable move to the top side. So I'm still long on Euro AUD. I'm short on AUD franc, as I just mentioned. AUD NZD. Okay. I see nothing here. We've broken through the trend line and we've basically gone vertical. So it wouldn't make sense for me to even try find an opportunity in here. So I've got nothing on AUD NZD. If anything, you could justify a short because there has to be some type of structure that develops, and then maybe that short would come back down to 1.0807. 1.0807. So this line here. Yeah, just because of how vertical it's been. But I mean, it could be the next resistance level that it, reverses from. It might not even be this one. However, if you are short on this, you wouldn't be crazy because it has been aggressively bullish since the 22nd of February. So a retracement is definitely due. GA, I've got nothing for GA. I've got really nothing for GA. I would say, I mean, that's still a decent move. 121 pips from where it is right now. Okay, so scratch what I said as far as me having nothing on GA. I feel that we're going to at least achieve 1.92 over here. 1.9200, which is like 120 pips away from where it is right now. So in the short term, I am short on GA. New Zealand CAD, brutal. Got burnt on this, 2 trades. Let me delete this because it's clearly not that. Try to figure out what is it. Level, significant level, another significant. Is this the one? Significant level. Um. I have no idea. 1, 2. I mean, from where we are right now, we have 3 levels that it could bounce off. This one, or this one. Or it can ignore all of them and just go right through everything. So I don't see any structure. Yeah, I don't see anything in particular that I could work with. This would be like, even if I said this, it would have to find support like right now. Right? It would have to find support like right now. I'm gonna pay close attention to how it reacts to this level, this 81.49 level. If we develop some kind of a support here, it might be worth taking the long. Yeah, it might be worth taking the long. If we can find some support at this level, it might be worth taking the long. But I'm going to keep my eye on it. USD franc. I drew this line. I don't know if it was yesterday or the day before yesterday. My target is still up here at 19061. So yeah, we're well on our way to that target. Mind you, let me go to your USD as I keep explaining, USD franc and Euro USD are negatively correlated. So obviously you are going to see Euro USD fall. Perfect trend line, retest of the weekly level, and now it's marching downwards. In terms of a target, yeah, I think roughly where it is right now is decent. You know, no one would blame you for exiting the trade here. No one would blame you for exiting the trade over there. Ultimately, this could also end up being a shoulder, head, shoulder, at which point it will fall much, much further. And if your USD falls that hard, you can expect USD franc to rally and at least break these highs. I have a pending here as well. I just so happen to have a pending trade over there. Yeah. Hold on, just one thing. I just want to go back to this index. And I'm bullish on the index anyway. So, hey, it could happen. Could happen. Could happen. Could happen. It could happen. This is just from looking at one currency pair. You can now extrapolate what could happen with, you know, the whole board, basically. So yeah, shoulder, head, potentially forming another shoulder here. If it breaks, it's gonna at least reach here. Let me just mark that so that things I don't trade Euro USD. That's the sad thing. I don't trade it, and I think I should start. Like I really think I should start here. On completion of that, we could have the shoulder. If we break through that, we are going there. Awesome. New Zealand franc. This was a really nice trade. We had, what was it? The SMB monetary policy assessment, or the SMB policy rates, came out and gave me just enough, momentum to hit my TP on this trade. It wasn't much. It's a 1-to-1. But that was cool. Done and dusted. I don't. Let me see. Maybe I do see something. It's looking like a sell, if I'm being honest. Ooh. Looking like a sell to me. It is looking like a sell to me. So yeah, from where I'm sitting, New Zealand franc looks like a sell. Euro pound. This is so sad because this was so close to hitting my TP, and it reversed, hit my stop loss. Saddest thing is that I kind of saw it being this bullish thing, like, you know, here, flag, breakout to the top side. Oh well, strategy wanted me to go short, so I went short. Oh wait, yes. So euro pound bullish on this. Targets up here. Yeah. USD JPY, as I've mentioned, with USD franc, USD, the DXY dollar index, USD franc, and USD CAD. I'm counting on some upside momentum. This is a trade that I currently have that's pending, hasn't been activated as yet. And that is that. Okay, so I'm still holding on to this AUD CAD trade. Went up, spoke about this already. Got an entry over here, and now the price is coming down very nicely. Target at 88.05, so that's about 30 pips from where we are right now. And actually, that reminds me. Just give me a second. I need to move my stop on AUD CAD. Okay. Uh, 37. So 8949. Stop has been moved to half risk. Cool. So that's AUD CAD that I'm still short on right now. Um, and then we have pound NZD. Now this is quite a big trade. This is quite a big trade. It's a 3-2-1. I'm bullish. Over here we have shoulder. Over here we have a head. Over here we have another shoulder. Over here we have a neckline, and we are currently resting at that neckline. If this head and shoulder pattern holds, it will achieve this very easily. If not, it'll reverse, hit my stop loss, I'll lick my wounds, and I'll continue. Very simple trade, not complicating it, but yeah. I am long on pound NZD, and I'm looking for a 3-2-1 on this trade. AUD CAD still falling nicely. Those are the active trades that I have. Got this AUD JPY pending trade. I am hoping it'll come down, give me an entry, and then rally. Something like that. And that is pretty much it. That is pretty much it. Somebody asked about NAS. I don't trade NAS, honestly. Unfortunately, I don't even know what the symbol is. Is this it? Yeah, no. I mean, be my guest, man. If you can see an opportunity in here, I don't know. Like, the only thing I see is a buy. The only thing I see in NAS is a buy. The only thing I'll ever see in NAS is a buy. So, unless there's another outbreak or another COVID-19. But yeah, I don't trade NAS. If you want to trade NAS, just buy. Open your MetaTrader and press the button buy and go about your life. Whew. Um,
somewhat, but a week, one mistake. I want to sit and end. This for the mama. Hey, mama, the play. Hey, mama.
It is looking like I'm probably going to end up holding this over the weekend. Han NZD still being uncooperative. Yeah, looks like I'm going to be holding these straight into next week. I'm holding these straight into next week. Yeah, it's looking like I'm going to be holding this into next week as well. And I think I honestly don't see myself taking too many trades next week. I did some analysis on this one pair. Let's see. Um, I can't even find this trade anymore. Yeah, it's looking like it's gonna be a quiet week for me. I mean, beyond these, obviously, like I don't think I'm gonna add any additional trades um, during the course of next week. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna add any additional trades. This is more than enough. There's no opportunity here. Oh, I was saying that there could possibly be a retracement. Cool. Buy on AUD franc. USD CAD, buy, pound CAD, and then a sell on Looking at it now, I'm even more convinced of the sell on gold. Yeah. I'm even more convinced of the sell on gold. If you trade gold, is a trade here. There is a trade. I am short on gold. Guys, it's been real. It has been real. I am in the mood to start my weekend, okay? I am not even gonna lie to you. So it's been real. It's been a crazy week. Well, not really, but it's been fun. FMC happened this week. And the frank interest rate announcement, that also happened this week. And managed to make some money, managed to save myself from losing some money. All in all, a pretty decent week in the markets. We are going to pick this up again next week. Pretty much going to be doing a live every day of next week, except for Monday. So yeah, looking forward to that. I will check you guys next week.